Using MXtoolbox in your collection of internet resources is a plus, okay? It's a great tool. It adds on a lot of efficiency. And let's talk about what is MXtoolbox. MXtoolbox is a suite of diagnostic tools to help manage and troubleshoot internet operations as they relate to email, health issues, DNS lookups, blacklist monitoring. If you're an IT professional, a webmaster, or a small business owner, you need to have a link for this MXtoolbox. It's nothing to download. It's all done online. It's a browser-based application. And the reason it's important is because it's constantly updated. Keeping it working is a big part of their business. And it's real-time diagnostics rather than you submit the link and then you wait a week, okay? It's going to save you a lot of time and resources as a result. So if you're going to use MXtoolbox, have a bookmark in your browser to get to that resource, okay? It's going to streamline your email delivery and troubleshooting, enhance your network security and monitoring, and improve your domain health and DNS management. Okay, this is a MXtoolbox daily operations is that you sign up, create an account so you can log in, configure what domains you want to monitor, what email servers. If you want to have custom alerts set to maybe the owner, okay, then it'll do the regular checks for you and the world will be a better place. There's a number of case studies and success stories, and you can look those up online. If you go to the Guy R. Cook Report, it's available at theguyRcookreport.podbean.com, and you can get the link to this Google document that I'm reading from right now. Get with this MXtoolbox tool. It's going to be a great solution, a good wrench to have in the internet toolbox. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. And let us know in the comments below your own related experiences with digital marketing. It's a wrap.